There's a lot to say about building communities online, so much so that we go into a lot more detail in other courses. The communities feature of the EzyCourse platform is incredible. Here's an example here of a graphics community, and you can see it looks very familiar when you think about other social media platforms. I can write a post, I can add photos and videos, I can see other members that are part of the group, and I can also see other communities that I'm a part of as well. Now, what's really good about the EzyCourse platform is there's some extra things to make the user experience really good. So for example, if I want to save posts in a community, posts that I'm interested in, I can click a save button, and then on the saved post button just here, this gives me my own personalized curated list of saved posts. You can also create channels within a community as well. So here you can see this is a graphics community, but I could have different channels related to different graphic design topics. Now what's really good is I can make some of these channels premium if I want to. So this example graphic design channel here, if I click on it, I haven't got access to that, and I therefore need to go ahead and purchase it. So let's have a look at the EzyCourse dashboard at the community settings and see how easy it is to create a community using EzyCourse. So I'm in the dashboard here. Anything to do with communities is found under products, and you've got a section for communities here. Now, if I want to add a new community, I can do so using this button. But for this lesson, I'm going to edit this graphics community that we just had a look at so that you can see how easy it is to set one of these up. Now, I give my community a name, I give it a description, a short description, just like most of the other products on the EzyCourse platform. I can then update my community thumbnail, I can update the cover image that appears at the top, and I can choose from a range of different access types. So a public community everybody can see. A private community is one that it is visible in the public, but you have to first request access to join it. You can have a hidden community that nobody can see unless they're a member of. And you can have a restricted community that's visible on your site, but nobody's able to join it. You can control things like whether people can post with or without approval. You can choose to decide how visible the community is in the public domain, whether everybody can see it or it's just for members only, and a range of other different settings in there as well. Now, also in the admin dashboard, I can go and do things like edit my pricing. And just like many other products, I can have a free community or I can have a premium community that's a one-time payment or a subscription community as well. It's very easy for me to see who's a member of that community, and I can go ahead and click on that and see who's active and part of that community. Now, there's lots of ways you can use communities, and like I say, we go into more detail in this in other courses that we have available. You might have a standalone community, you might have a community that sits alongside a course that you've created. You could have a community as part of a membership as well. And remember the channels thing as well. You can have a free community, but then you can have channels within that community that are premium for paid only members. So lots of different options. Hopefully that's enough for you to get started creating your own communities using EzyCourse.